How to get Roblox Robux for free. Welcome to another Gauging Gadgets Roblox tutorial video. So as you can see here, I'm on the Roblox website, and this is where you can buy Robux, and it costs around $10 for 800 Robux. In this video, I'm going to show you a method that'll give you around 800 Robux a month completely for free. And the method I'm going to show you is completely legal. It's not a hack in any way. It's using Microsoft Rewards. And Microsoft Rewards just allows you to earn points for searching on Bing and doing little polls, things like that, where you can actually earn around 800 Robux a month doing this. And it doesn't take that long. And this is the method that I've used to get all of the Robux that I've used in my tutorials and on Roblox. I've never actually purchased any Robux. So to get started, the first thing we need to do is simply open a browser, either on your computer or your mobile phone, and navigate to bing.com and check the description. I'll have a direct link down there. So go to bing.com and log into your account. If you don't already have an account, when you go to bing.com, select rewards and then go down to join now. So once you're on Bing and you're logged in, I recommend going up to the top right, selecting the Microsoft Rewards icon, and then just going to the dashboard. This is where we can learn more about Microsoft Rewards. We can see the points that we've earned, but if we want to get Robux for free, all we need to do is select redeem right here. Then in the search bar, simply search Roblox, and you'll see the Roblox digital code come up. So as you can see here, for every 1,500 points that we earn on Microsoft Rewards, we would get 100 Robux. And while that sounds like a lot, it's really not. And let me show you how many Microsoft Rewards points you can earn every day. So now we just need to go back to the Microsoft Rewards page and then select points breakdown. So as you can see, every day you can earn 150 points for searching on a PC, 100 points for searching on your mobile phone, and then they have all these different daily offers where you can earn 140 points a day doing that. So if we add that up, that equals 390. 800 Robux a month is going to be 12,000 points. And if we do 12,000 points divided by 390, that's going to be every 30 days, we can get 800 Robux. So every month, you can get 800 Robux for free by using Microsoft Rewards. And check the description. I have links to where you can make PC searches on your phone or mobile searches on your computer, just to make it a little bit easier for you to earn these points. And real quick, as you can see right here, it says that I'm in level 2. You'll start out at level 1, but once you earn 500 points, which is really easy, as you can see, you'll move up to level 2, and that's where you'll start earning more points. And Robux will actually require less points to get those. So now that I've showed you how many points you need to earn on Microsoft Rewards to get 800 free Robux and how to earn those points, I'm going to show you how to actually redeem Robux within Microsoft Rewards. So all we need to do is go to bing.com, select the rewards button right here, and go to dashboard. Once we're on the dashboard, go to redeem, search or find Roblox, and then I'm just going to do 100 Robux right now, redeem reward. Then you just need to confirm the reward. And then you'll get an email like this from Microsoft Rewards that has your new PIN, that all you need to do is copy this PIN, go to the link in the email, make sure you're logged into your account, enter the PIN, and select redeem. Once you do that, the Robux that you earned on Microsoft Rewards will be added to your balance on Roblox. And as you can see, I just got 100 free Robux from Microsoft Rewards. So that's how you get free Robux from Microsoft Rewards. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you'd like to see more Microsoft Rewards tips and tutorials, check the links in the description. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets, for more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.